Waterdeep Tavern. I got a job singing there. Smells of under mountain rising up through the air. From the well in the middle, I saw a hideous sight. A troll climbed up and leapt out from the well. I knew there would be a fight. It made a dash towards my way as I heard Dunning yell. And I was thinking to myself, I hope my lute can help me cast a spell. Then I cast hideous laughter and sent it the troll's way. There was giggling as he fell back down. I heard Dunning say, welcome to my in the Yawning Portal. Such a wondrous place, such a wondrous place to use as your base. Adventurous rooms to rent at the Yawning Portal. Any time of year, any time of year, you can adventure here. The price to go below's listed. For one more piece you'll be sent down to the under mountain where adventure awaits. Up above in the tavern, they're wagering bets. Some adventurers return with gold, some are gone to their deaths. So I called up my party, this must be our time. They said, we've only got the balls to go because we're on our level now. And as we're lowered, the voices are fading away. We arrived in the middle of the fight. We heard a demon say, welcome to your deaths at the Yawning Portal. Such a lowly band, such a lowly band, so easy to disband. Your party will ne'er again see the Yawning Portal. What a bad surprise, such a sad surprise, to watch my party die. The fighter's brains hit the ceiling. The demon smiled, how nice. And he beheaded our cleric with a wicked two-handed slice. And then the demon's companions gathered round for the feast. I tried to cut them with my razor whip, but I just can't hurt those beasts. The last thing I remember, I was knocked down to the floor. My loot was lifted from my back. I was dreading what next lay in store. Relax, said the demon, I'll not kill you like your friends. You will play the riff that ends this song, but it will never end. Cheese. Cheese. Cheese.